Friends, like I said the other day, we're going to get that CB radio installed into the Cherokee. We're going to put a fire stick mount on the side, 3-foot antenna, and run all the wiring. Most of this is going to be on a time lapse real fast so we can get to the end point, and then I'll show you how we, all the installation that we did. So we're going to get started. All right, so we've got the installation completed. I just kind of wanted to show you how everything worked out, and then we'll show you how the radio is working. Anyway, so on a Jeep Cherokee, you're kind of limited on where you can put a CB antenna. The rear hatch is fiberglass, so you can't mount to it. You can't mount to the bumper because the rear hatch opens up. So the best place to mount it actually, for our application, is either mounted on the side. They make mounts to put it on the fender channel in the front, or you just put a magnet antenna in the middle. Now I parked this thing in a garage, so I'm limited to 7-foot total height. So right rear side with a 3-foot antenna is going to work out perfect for me. Come around here, I can show you how this works out, how this antenna system works out. So standard RG8 coax, but they went ahead and split and terminated it for the dual mount, and you can see where I ground it out, ground the paint off so we can get a good ground going there. And then we routed the antenna wire up over the hump, and really simple. Comes over the hump behind this panel here, all the way down, and then it comes out runs underneath the front seat. And we bring it up front seat and pop it up right into the radio here. Same thing with the power. Power comes out, comes over, goes over the hump, and then through the rubber on the firewall. And we run out the firewall, and you can see that aviation grade wire loom that we use all the way across, following the factory wire harness come up and hook directly to the battery leads. And we get a good power and a good ground doing it that way. And as you can see, we have a functioning radio. Now I can't receive or transmit anything right now. We haven't tuned the antenna, and the back half of the Jeep is sitting inside of a big metal building. So we're kind of done with the video for now, and y'all have a good day.